The question says among the following unpaired electron is present, in which species unpaired electron is present. Okay, concept is very simple. A species having odd number of electron will have unpaired electron, and a species having even number of electron will have paired electron. And based on this concept, we determine magnetic property is also paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Keep in mind KO2, it is a superoxide. Let's say if I mention K2O, this is potassium oxide. If I mention K2O2, this is potassium peroxide. And if I mention KO2, this is potassium superoxide. Okay, potassium superoxide. Let's calculate the number of electron. We have KO2 is there. Atomic number of potassium 19 plus we have 2, and each oxygen is what? Having atomic number 8. Simplify 19 plus 8 to just 16 is there. 9, 6, 15, and it will be 2 and 3, 35 is there. We got odd number. A species having odd number of electrons will have unpaired electrons. Okay, we got one species. Let me select. It is having unpaired electrons. Now let's move on to Alo2 minus is there. Negative charge is there. Okay. We have Alo2 is there, negative charge is there, means it has gained 1 electron. Okay, aluminum atomic number 13. Each oxygen is what? 8 plus, since it is gaining 1 electron, we got 1. 13 plus 1, 14 is there, and this 8 to just 16, then 6, 4, 0, and this is 30. We got even number of electrons. It does not have any unpaired electrons. Next we have barium oxide is there. Barium, this is what? Barium, it is not barium oxide, it is barium peroxide. Because if you say barium, it is one barium and 2 oxygen are there, crisscross. This is plus 2 and oxygen shows minus 1 charge. Oxygen showing minus 1 charge is peroxide. Okay. Barium atomic number 56 plus 2 multiplied by 8. We have 56 plus 16. 6 is 12 is there. 5, 6 and 72 is there. Even number of electrons, it does not carry unpaired electrons. In the last we have NO2 plus. We have NO2 plus, it is having positive charge. It means that it has lost 1 electron. Nitrogen 7 plus 2 multiplied by 8, and it is losing 1 electron, minus 1 is there. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, and then we get 8 to just 16. 6 is, then we get 22 is there. It is also even number of electrons. So only we are getting odd number of electron only in case of potassium superoxide. And always keep in mind, in general, superoxides are paramagnetic by nature. Okay, superoxides are paramagnetic by nature because they have unpaired electrons. We have KO2. Only KO2 is the correct answer because it has only odd number of electrons, hence it has unpaired electrons, and hence we can say it is paramagnetic by nature also. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.